I have a new script to show you. This one for Photoshop. Batch, size, and mask. I'll show the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. Here's a folder of images to process. I want to remove the background from these images and crop them with a consistent margin. In Photoshop, I already have an action to run the script. For help adding scripts to Photoshop, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the Actions panel, select the script, Batch, Size, and Mask. Click the Actions panel Play button. The interface is divided into 5 sections: Input, Size, Transform, Output, and Settings to save and reuse the current options. First, select a folder of images to process. To process subfolders, enable the option. Size is the width and height in pixels and the pixels per inch. If you need help calculating the correct size, click the button Calculate. For example, say we want 8 inches square at 300 pixels per inch. Enter the values and click the button Calculate. That's 2400 by 2400 pixels. Click the Apply button, and the size is set in the main interface. The next section is Transform. Enable Crop and enter a percentage of the longest edge of the subject. The image is cropped to maintain a minimum margin around the subject the value set, while keeping the subject centered in the desired image size. The next option is Remove Background. This detects the subject and masks it. You may mask the subject with a path, an alpha channel, or, using the Photoshop feature, Select Subject. If looking for a path or alpha channel and one doesn't exist, the script falls back to Select Subject. Optionally, you may run an action before each image is saved. For now, I'll leave the option disabled. Select the output folder where the images should be saved. Select the file format to save images. Choices are BMP, JPG, PNG, PSD, or TIFF. You may flatten the image, or you may merge it to a single layer, or neither, and preserve all layers if the format allows it. Convert to Profile changes color space to the selected profile. This requires either merge into a single layer or flatten, because adjustment layers can't change color space reliably. We'll turn that off. Original File Name Plus is a suffix added to each file name output. Enter a suffix or leave it blank, and output names match input names. Once all options are set, click the OK button, and the script gets to work. This example is only 8 images to make it quick. There could be hundreds. When done, have a look at the results. There it is. PSDs with the background removed and cropped with a minimum margin. Now let's try using an action. Back in Photoshop, I'll run the script again. This time, enable running an action. Choose the set and the action within the set. When done, have a look at the results. Now the images have a sepia effect applied. I have another feature that I included in the script at the last minute. Add background. Enable the option and choose a background file. Click OK and the script gets to work. The background of each image is removed as I've already demonstrated. But now you can replace it with something else. The replacement image is scaled to ensure it fills the entire canvas. That's something an action can't do. When done, have a look at the results. There it is. Backgrounds removed and replaced with another image. Get the script at the link in the description. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.